Oh hi, welcome back with me Ranli Brazil. Hari ini teman-teman saya mau bawa kalian ke supermarket. It's not far away from my house where I live. It's just take 15 minutes to get there. So okay guys, let's go. And this weather today is not really bad, but it's still little bit rain. And now, who is that? Who is coming? Okay, let's go. Thank you. Okay guys, and I will show you around my house. Ooh. It's raining, it's raining. Oke teman-teman, jadi sekarang kita lagi di jalan. Berangin, sangat berangin. Wow. I will show you all the trees is now change the color. Okay guys, oke, lihat ini teman-teman. Berangin. We came from that way and now we go this way and turn left and go down. That is the supermarket we called Tesco. Huh? Yeah, I have here mine here in my pocket. I will wear it when we arrive. Ini semua daunnya udah turun semua. Okay guys, so now we arrive. This is the church. I used to come here to pray, but since the corona until now I'm not come anymore. Okay, so this is gets us interchange. It's like terminal ya. Okay guys, so we go down here. We can just go down here or just go up there. It's the same. This is there are a lot of supermarket and restaurant and bars, so we don't need to go to any coastal city. If you want to just nearby your house, just come here. This is a boutique. It seems like, yeah, this is product from ASEAN. It's like from India maybe. Yes, I think so. I just guessed. This is a gym before before 2 years ago, I used to come here every day to build my body, get exercise. But now, no money, so I don't come anymore. Because now I'm in this moment, I don't have a job, so yeah, you know, guys. If for next year I have a job, and I will continue. I will come to a Regis again, and I will do my exercise. Okay, this is Tesco Extra. Many times I took record here, so as you know, guys, you follow me for the first time I made my vlog, so you know me, guys. If you know, guys, yeah, thank you for come to follow me. But I don't think this will be they allow me to take record inside, so maybe I just stop my record now, just here maybe. Okay, guys, so I stop it now. Honey, why it's expensive that organic? Better you just take organic, 1 pound. Market side. Oh, no. No, I don't like that. I like nugget. Yeah, one. Okay. Yes. Just the cheap. And cucumber. Yeah. Oh, milk. Don't forget milk. Milk. Will semi? Okay. 1 liter. Itu aja. Okay. Banana custard. Apa dua? So now we go to the bread. That's your favorite. Hani favorit yang mana? I think it's the over there, honey. You used to pick over there. selesai belanja nih, Berdua ada bawah. Sekarang kita balik ke rumah. Aduh, cepat sayang, hujan. Aduh, teman-teman, jadi ini ada hujan.
Sudah.
Oke.
Ada tema satu.
Yeah, I have. There is my friend in my group. She has card like that, and she plan go to travel around the world. How you think? It's a good idea. Aduh, ini. Look at this, guys. Ooh. All change color. Guys, so now we are on our way back to home. Okay, guys. So this is my house. We back home, back home, back home, back home. Teman-teman, dari tadi yang kita belanja itu saya beli itu apa, lettuce, terus brokoli, saya beli brokoli tadi, terus ini salad juga, saya beli cucumber, terus saya beli sama ini buat mihun, buat nasi soto, terus tomato, terus saya beli ini salad yang masih ada dia punya itu daunnya, keren kan? Jadi tadi itu yang kita beli. Oh ya, sama daun bawang sama chili. Jadi ini tadi kita belanja, teman-teman. Oh ya, sama mie, sama ada tadi roti, tapi Petu sudah kasih habis, Petu tidak tahan lagi. Oke teman-teman, jadi cukup sekian ya.